Can you tell us about Bollywood Festival? Why you're doing it? What's the significance of holding this in Wollongong?
Bollywood or Bollywood in Wollongong is actually bringing Bollywood to Wollongong, and it is in the form of the selected movies that we are screening this week. And besides, as you can see today, the big family festival day with lot of music, Indian dancing, Indian arts, also lot of Indian food. Also there is a cooking demo going on.
And is this going to be an annual festival now?
We hope it would be an annual festival because Gujarat NRE is one of the partners, but University of Wollongong is also there. Both of us would certainly like
And
to have it an annual feature.
what's the response of people living in Wollongong towards this festival?
There has been an excellent response. We had not expected so many people out here. I would say it is a complete sellout. Some of the stalls, they actually ran out of food a while back.
And tell us about the movie festival. What is it?
We have selected 9 movies, and all 9 from different genres, so that they can cater to different tastes and also showcase the variety of movies that Bollywood produces. Like the opening night, we had Band Baja Barat, which is the Indian wedding in its full grandeur. You could view it. The second Friday evening, we had 2 heavy movies, People Live and Arakshan. First one was on the electronic media and how it plays with people's lives, while the second one, Arakshan, was about the education system in India and the political interference and how that disturbs the education scenario in India. Yesterday was all about youth, about the sports and the spirit of youth. We had Chak De India and Lagan, and in between we had Tare Zameen Par, which shows how even people, young children who are otherwise not able to come up, can come up with a little bit of support from the teachers. While today we have chosen the movies. The first one, Wake Up Sid, which every parent would like his kid to watch, because every son feels that his father is an ATM, and that's what the movie is all about. The second movie, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, is what the name suggests, that you won't get your life twice. So just go out and enjoy, don't worry about anything. And that's what every kid would like its parent to watch. So that's the second movie. And the third movie is certainly the super hit for the festival, that 3 idiots who are not stupid. They may be idiots and genius, but not stupid. And they will teach you how to deliver a baby using a vacuum cleaner. That too from a battery of a car in the absence of power. So that's Indian Jugaad technology at work.
You have been a primary driver of reducing piracy in Australia, and I think that's the reason why you started, one of the primary drivers for this festival. Do you think you have achieved to pass on a message about anti-piracy here?
Yes, that is one important thing, because just by legislation you can't remove piracy. Piracy can be removed by awareness and by people getting an alternative to watch movies. And the idea is to get Bollywood movies to Wollongong on a regular basis, so that we could really fight piracy.
Thank you very much.